Good morning, people. Papa Sammy and Allybug here. When I got home off vacation, like I said in the other video, I had a request. Could you save my plants? Well, this one is pretty well ate up with leaf mites. They get into the leaf and eat the insides and just leave the outsides. Now, basically, what I would do in a case like this is I'd very gently take off the infected leaves. Get them slim away from the plant. Okay? Now, once you do all this, you're giving the plant a little relief automatically. Then after you do all that, you come back with your soap water. Now, people, this is hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon, Dawn dishwater detergent. It don't matter. It could be Ivory soap or anything, liquid soap. 1 tablespoon. Then you put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, peanut oil, olive oil, it don't matter. What it does, this kills fungi, puts oxygen back in the plant. What it is, the soap keeps the oil in suspension. The oil coats the leaf, kills smothers the insects. This anti-fungi puts oxygen back in the plant. It's just basic chemistry. Nothing, brilliant, but it works fantastic. Now, this plant's going to look a little rough when I get through doctoring it, but I guarantee you in a couple of days, if it survives this, it will come back looking beautifully. Man, I don't know if you can see that, but that dadgum leaf mites was working good overtime on this plant. Woo! Yeah, I'm not going to take every one of them all, but it's going to be close. The real bad ones anyway. Okay, it looks pretty good. Shake it good, put it in suspension, and get after it. And you can put quite a bit around that bottom. Get those roots oxygenated, get them going again. Now, that one there should be taken care of for a while. Now this one, there's not a lot you can do with a plant like this, except go to the bad part and just take it off. Just take it off. Okay? If nothing else, just doing that, it makes the appearance. Already it looks better. And you come right on back with this milk oil. This won't hurt your plant unless you set it out in the direct sunlight. In a shaded area, that right there will help that plant tremendously. Like I said, it puts oxygen back on your roots, and that plant's got to go. Got to go. Now here's the trick, people. If you make it a little stronger than 1 tablespoon per, you can spray heavy around the roots. It'll help water-bound roots, root rot. It puts oxygen back in the soil. It stops root rot, helps stop it. Also, don't spray your plant heavy with this, with the peroxide. Spray it gently with the mixture, soap oil, soap water, milk water, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, that smothers the insects. It also kills the young larvae. I'm going to repot this one, but for demonstration purposes, here again, fluffy, no odor, worm castings. I'm going to put that in there. Okay. Now I will soak this down with water real good. And people, this is better than Miracle-Gro. And it don't take a lot of it either. Worm castings are good in three or four ways. They retain moisture. They put the nutrients back in the soil, along with fungi and fungus, and it helps the plants grow. Now, I hope this helps y'all out a lot. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.